Hi families and friends, welcome back to my channel, Meals with Mills. In this episode I'm going to make a quick Rocky Road for snacks or for dessert. So I am making Rocky Road, it's like vegan type. I have all the ingredients here. So I've got peanut butter, vanilla essence, coconut oil, honey, pure honey, or you can use syrup or rice syrup. And then I'm also using our grated Koko Samoa, a very fine grated Koko Samoa. If you don't have Koko Samoa, use the normal cocoa powder, popcorn, desiccated coconuts, chopped dates, or any dried fruits, sultana, but I'm using chopped dates. And then I have a cup and a little bit more of about 5 to 6 different nuts in this bowl. So I have a variety of nuts in here, so that's what I'll be using. And then I mentioned peanut butter. So these are all the ingredients, but then I'll have the full recipe and all the ingredients I'm using up here on the side, so please check it out. I've got my pot here on low heat. I am going to add our coconut oil to the pot. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for visiting. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notification button below or the bell so you can be notified for more videos. Usually I post new videos nearly every day apart from Sundays, but in the future I will probably post new videos once or twice a week, so stay tuned. It's lockdown, so I'm able to record what we normally have for dinner or have for dessert and share it with everyone. Maybe someone out there will enjoy the recipe. So yeah, so I am melting the coconut oil on a very low heat. I don't want to burn any of our ingredients that I'll be adding. So once our coconut oil is melted, I am going to add our syrup, honey, but you can also use golden syrup, rice syrup, any syrup you have in the pantry, or honey. Like I said, this is like a vegan style recipe of Rocky Road with my special ingredients, Koko Samoa. I'll keep stirring that at medium heat. I'll add our vanilla essence, our peanut butter. I'm using the crunchy peanut butter. You can use whatever you have available or what's in your pantry. Okay, so let's mix that through. Alright, it's time for us to add our grated Koko Samoa or cocoa powder if you don't have Koko Samoa. So this might be another recipe for my Koko Samoa ingredients series. I have used Koko Samoa or Samoan cocoa in two of my recipes actually, the German cake and the banana cake. Okay, so let's slowly add our Koko Samoa. We will add all of our ingredients. So we'll start with the dates, and I've got a mixture of dates and fig, chopped them all up, and I've got different kind of nuts. So let me count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have walnuts, cashew nuts, almond nuts. I'll have the list of all the nuts I have. So I've got 5 to 6 different kinds all mixed up in here. So add them to our bowl. Our popcorn, plain popcorn. I made the popcorn earlier on. And then our desiccated coconut. I am going to mix that through. Okay, so let's add our syrup now. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 biscuits. I'm just gonna squash it with my hands. I can still class it as vegan because it's not sweet, this biscuit here. The sweetness is from the honey. Ooh, the smell of the Koko Samoa is so strong, and I like it. I can't wait for this to set. Let's lay it in our tray, and we will have it sit in the fridge to set. Alright everyone, so our slice is now ready, or our rocky road. It's been sitting in the fridge for about an hour and it's nice and hard now. We are going to cut them in squares and then we will put it in a container and keep it in the fridge for when the family is ready to have a snack. Okay, so let's... Our bars are now ready and set. I will store it in a container and then I'll have it for snack whenever they feel like it. Hope you enjoy this episode and thank you for hanging around with me and cooking with me and baking. Thanks for viewing our videos. Take care. Catch up with you in the next episode. Bye for now.